In pan, heat the oil. Add the butter, then saute the onion, then the garlic. Add the chicken and water. Cover and cook until the chicken is tender. Season with fish sauce. Now I will add the chicken liver and water. Again, I will cover the pan until the chicken liver is cooked. Next, I will add carrots and water and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the cauliflower, sayote, and water, and again, let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. And for the last step, add the green leafy vegetables and water. Again, cover and bring to a boil. Then simmer for 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, ayan. Ngayon, meron na tayong CHOPSUEY for our lunch.
So we just fry the fish to pair it with our CHOPSUEY. For the total preparation and cooking time, it is 45 minutes, and for the number of servings, it is 5 servings.